Hey everyone, ChatGPT just got a major update, and it's not just smarter, it's now supercharged with plugins. Want to turn ChatGPT into math wizard, PDF reader, SEO expert, or web crawler? In this video, I will show you the best free ChatGPT plugins you can right now in 2025 to transform how you want, learn, and create. Wolfram plugin turns ChatGPT into a scientific calculator and data scientist. Solve integrals, get weather and geography info, even plot graphs. Perfect for students, engineers, and researchers. Click on GPTs and you will see like this. Then search Wolfram. Then it will search your model. Then click on model and start chat. And now ask your command. Just I ask a simple command. Let's think ChatGPT, and if he asks allow, then you just click allow or always allow. I asked plot the function sin x from 10 to 10. Then he give me answer. Here is the plot of the function sin x divided by x over the interval minus 10, 10, will 10. Okay, you can see the answer like this. Then let's go to our second GPT. Click on GPTs and search Ask Your PDF. This model read reports, research papers, contracts, and get instant summarize or even quiz it like a tutor. Upload a PDF and ask summarize the contract or the chapters. It will take a few seconds and it will give you the results. Ask Your PDF lets you upload any PDF and ask question directly. Click on this edit button, click on edit photos and files, select your contracts, ask summarize these contacts, then wait a few seconds, it will give you the contracts summarization. Okay, I think this tool will help you. Then we will be go for next one. Our next one is SEO Core AI. Rank smarter. SEO Core AI. You will see SEO Assist, SEO GPT, SEO Core AI. Click on this and start chat. SEO Core AI help you optimize content right inside Chat GPT. Keyword suggestions, improve readability, analyze meta tags, headers, and schema makeup. Okay, a search demo article. Just select a demo article, copy the article, and paste the article here and ask improve this for SEO keyword. Next hit enter. It will be improve this AI article with keyword suggestions and make this better for SEO. Okay, our next tool is link reader. Okay, go to GPT's search link reader. You will get this start chat, and let's search our YouTube. Let's copy this link and paste here and ask give me bullet point summary of this video and hit enter. Okay, permit him allow, and he will be give you all of this bullet point in next response. ChatGPT plugin make is more than chatbot. It now full AI assist. Drop a comment if you want to full series with I test more plugin live. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Link to all plugins are in this description below.